How to fix the issue with login in Pokemon. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with login in Pokemon application. So without any delay, let's get into it. Now if you are facing such kind of problem, first and foremost thing you need to check for the updates. So for that, head towards Apple Store in iOS device or Google Play Store in Android device. If you see the option of update beside the Pokemon application, simply update the application. After that, your issue will be fixed. If the issue is still running, you simply need to clear the cache for Pokemon application. For that, head towards the setting of Pokemon and click on storage. There you will see the option of clear cache. Simply click on it and then you are good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with login on Pokemon application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.